Alright, man, this is gonna be intense. The Unleash Vanish taking on Blizzard Thrasher. Yeah, it's been a little bit. Yeah, man, but this is gonna be intense, man. This Fafnir's still hanging in there, man. You know, it has 3 more lives left, so starting to see the ceiling a little bit on it, but it's hanging in there for sure, man. But I don't know, man. Blizzard Thrasher. We're gonna see, man, the two drivers that have the cushion gimmick. So this is gonna be intense. So Blizzard taking on the Unleash Vanish Fafnir, the Super Saiyan 3. So this is gonna be intense, man. Stamina wise, I don't know. Maybe okay, well, Fafnir taking with that. Alright, boom. I was gonna say maybe stamina-wise balance, but it looks like Fafnir just has the better balance. Alright? Yeah, man. Oh, big hit. Yo, man, this Fafnir. This Fafnir and the Fafnir. Alright, that's 2. Boom. And damn it. Alright, so boom, and boom. There we go. Yeah, some barrage, barrage attack. Yo, Blizzard, yo, is keeping that balance. Yo, is trying to keep that balance with Fafnir, man. Yeah, man. Alright, boom. And boom. Yeah, man, it's trying to keep that balance. It's really trying to keep that balance, but this Fafnir, man, the balance on Fafnir, bro. It's a beast, man, and it's shown. Right there, man. Yeah, Fafnir takes it again, and I'm gonna call it. Boom. And boom. There we go. As y'all can see, the balance working in its favor, man. But this is intense. The Super Saiyan 3. He's like, I'm not gonna lose no more, man. I'm gonna show my power. And it just did it with that. It just really did it with that. Well, all right, man. The Unleash Super Saiyan 3 taking the win over Chance Hope with Blizzard Thrasher.